Welcome to this another video on Python series. So in this today's video we will be covering upon what a join command in Python. So join command will be very helpful for you if you want to join the data in the basis of like any comma or and any data and you can join a list of data while printing that. So let's start the session. I think it's a lecture 26. So let's start the lecture. New file, create a new file using the lecture 26, and the weather is very good today, like it's raining heavily. So let's start the we have to create a list. You know already how to create a list using this, and here I will write some of the actors name. By the way, this is the character, but the character they are playing that name, not the real name. Okay, so I have Meet, I have CP, I have something like Sayuri, Karan. Let's give a Karan as well. Seriously, I have these actors' name. How I can use the join command so that I can display this data. So let's write AR equal to, here I have to specify the character that I have to write to distribute this data in this list, and then I have to write what I can do. I have to use the join command. If I hover to that and press here, so it's not showing any data an information about that. By the way, it's not showing here. You have to write this MB. If I hover this, now it will show you concatenate any number of strings. The string whose method is called is inserted in between each given string. The result is written as a new string, so you can put any, you can see they have given an example, like they use a dot, then dot join, then you have to pass any list, so it will come as to ab dot pq dot rs kind of stuff. Okay, because they put as dot, here we put as comma. Let's run this using this print, and here I will be printing AR. Let's run this now. I hope this is visible for you. I forgot to zoom it. I got me, CP, Sayuri and Karan. Let's open a command palette as well and do toggle screencast mode so that you can get whatever I'm writing here. So this is one way you can join method. If you don't want to use the join method, then what you will be doing, you can go with the for method. Already taught you how to go with for method. For you can print his here, how you might be thinking for method is I have memorized this for. No, I am not memorized this for, because I am using a Python for quite while. I have used database notebooks, created notebooks using database and these things. So for loop, I know it is in my memory. If I don't practice it, I will forget. So there is no harm, you're forgetting the syntax and these things. You can search in the Google easily. And how, if I want to add it this only, convert these things as this only, comma, then what I have to do, I can do this, comma. One more thing, I have to add a end as well. By the way, what is end? Why I have written this already told in previous videos. So now you can see I'm getting the data, because its end is used to so that it doesn't go to the next line. So that's the reason I put is and equal to double quotes, otherwise it will come into the next line. Okay, so now you can see I have me, CP, Karan and these things. So by the way, it's printing 2 times. I don't know why it's been okay. This one, let's comment out this one. Seriously, now run it. You will get the whole data. Meet Karan and by the way, it's comma I added now, so it is coming at the end comma. If I write one more slash space, then it will come one more space will come at the in between comma. So in this video, we cover upon what is join command, and it will be very helpful for you if you want to iterate using the list, if you want to print the list data using a comma kind of stuff, then use a join keyword, and you can get the information of this. Instead of for loop, we can go with a join loop if some kind of scenario you are facing this. So I will meet you in another video where we will be talking about something else. Till then, bye everyone.
Music